7-year-old LaGranda June Eliange just returned from Washington, D.C., where she asked leaders to help protect her family's temporary protected status.
My message to President Trump is for him to go deep down in his heart.
Monday night, the Trump administration ended TPS. The 50,000-plus Haitians who came here following the earthquake of 2010 have a deadline of July 2019 to become residents or go back to Haiti. And that includes 10-year-old Ronide Christina's Ponthu's mom and dad. She was born here. Here is her message to the president.
How can you deport these people who have been here for so long? They have been contributing to the social, economic, and political fabric of this great nation. How can you do this to me? How can you do this to us? It'll be difficult for my parents to put food on the table in Haiti, find a shelter, provide food for me, and school. Understand how painful it must be to be forced to leave their children behind. I mean, thousands of children of all ages, or take them to Haiti, Honduras, Salvador, Nicaragua. Think about what you're doing before you go to sleep at night. And I love my dad. I love all of my parents. They are important to me. They matter. How can you do this to us?
That is the anxiety being felt by the children on the streets of Miami here tonight. 18 months for legal teams to assemble and find these people, hopefully temporary, residency status, to apply for that, and 18 months for hopefully everyone else to convince Congress, they say, to pass immigration reform. I'm live in Miami tonight. Nikki Mohan, Local 10 News.
Oh, Nikki, thank you.